Hello guys, it's me Jackson, and today I want to teach you how to use multiplication with an area model. So first I'm going to go ahead and draw my area model. It's okay. Okay, then I'm going to tell you my tricky problem. It's 8 times 17. I don't know why, but it's always 8 times 17. So 8 times 17. So I don't know what 8 times 17 is, so I just use the area model. First, I'm going to go ahead and split this. Put the 7 right here, the 10 right here, the multiplication sign, because we're using multiplication, and then my 8. So first, I know that 8 times 10 is 80. So let me go ahead and write that. 10 times 8, or 8 times 10. And then I'm going to put 80, and then do 8 times 7. 8 times 7. And then I get 56. Are we done? No, we are not done. We have to add 80 and 56. So 0 plus 6 is just going to be 6. So I'm going to put 6 right there. And then 8 plus 5, not, So 8 plus 5, let's count. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I'm going to put 3, and then we have no hundreds, but that 13. So the answer is 136. So 8 times 17 is 136. Bye, guys.